Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to change Arduino IDE theme from this to this. So guys, the link to download this file is the description. So guys, follow my steps to install dark mode. So guys, this is the actual theme of Arduino IDE and we are just replacing it with dark theme. You can keep the original theme somewhere so you can use it anytime. Paste the file and you are complete. And when you open Arduino IDE, it will be in dark mode. So guys, please subscribe and follow me at Instagram DIY Tech Hacker. See you in the next video.